everyone, Melissa here. Come on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we have a theme. This week's theme is buttons. Next week's theme will be books. And we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. I'll have all of the ladies' links down below. This week I tried something different, which I don't normally do, and I used stickers. And so this pack of stickers that I'm using, and as you can see, most of them are gone. It came from Cuddle Me Clay Tay. Thank you so much. It's from the La Petite's dimensional stickers, and they're very cute. Thought I would make an Easter card. I also used the Stickabilities, and I'm using a little bow right there. From LDRS, I'm using this button here. And from Reverse Confetti, I'm using this die here. And My Creative Time, I'm using the second to the largest there. And then I'm also using her Paper Pack Dots Solids and Stripes. I'm not for sure if this is still in the store. If it is, it's at a discounted price. But anyways, I'm using that light colored pink. If you'd like to use my code MOE, you may do so to get 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekends. And here goes this adorable little Easter card, just to say Happy Easter to you all. I am so grateful and thankful I get to see another year of Easter or Resurrections Sunday. If I live to see tomorrow. I am so thankful and so blessed. Anyways, I love this little cute little card. I absolutely love it. These are the stickers that came in there, and they have an epoxy. Some of them do have a little epoxy feel to them, and some of them I think it's like a plastic of some sort. And it came with all the little flowers around, the little birdies, and then I also added that little epoxy sticker on there, and then there goes my button dead center. So I really like that. And then there goes the inside of my card. Just so cute. I pulled that out and I was just like, this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. So love that card. If you have the chance, please enter into our collabs, which is hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, or hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And that's about all I have for you. Happy Easter to everyone. Thanks so much, you all. You all have a blessed and crafty day.